Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to find Exodus wallet address. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Exodus wallet on your device and tap any crypto you want. I am going to select Bitcoin. Now tap the receive arrow at the top right. Your QR code and wallet address will appear. Remember that every crypto has its own unique wallet address. So follow the same steps for other crypto as well. So that's how you find Exodus wallet address. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.